Sunny, meaning bright weather with sunlight. It's sunny today, so we can go to the park. The flowers look beautiful in the sunny weather. Cloudy, covered with clouds, not clear. The sky is cloudy, it might rain later. We couldn't see the stars because it was cloudy last night. Rainy, meaning weather with rain. Don't forget your umbrella, it's rainy outside. I love staying indoors on a rainy day. Snowy, meaning covered with or experiencing snowfall. It's snowy in the mountains during winter. The snowy landscape looks magical at night. Windy, meaning having strong winds. It's too windy to fly a kite today. She closed the windows because it was windy outside. Foggy, meaning full of thick mist or fog. Driving is difficult on foggy mornings. The bridge was hidden in the foggy weather. Stormy, meaning characterized by storms. The stormy weather kept us indoors all day. Thunderstorms are common in stormy seasons. Hazy, meaning slightly unclear or misty. The city looked hazy from the hill. It's a hazy afternoon, and it might get cooler later. Drizzle, meaning light rain. It's just a drizzle, we don't need umbrellas. A morning drizzle makes the weather pleasant. Downpour, meaning heavy rain. We got caught in a downpour on our way home. The downpour flooded the streets. Hail, meaning small balls of ice falling during a storm. Hail damaged the car's roof yesterday. It rarely hails in tropical areas. Snowfall, meaning falling snow. The snowfall made the town look like a postcard. Children were excited to play during the first snowfall of the year. Sleet, meaning a mix of rain and snow. The roads were slippery due to sleet. Sleet often makes winter travel challenging. Whirlwind. Meaning, a small rotating wind. A whirlwind of dust formed in the empty field. The whirlwind disappeared as quickly as it came. Zephyr. Meaning, a soft, gentle breeze. The zephyr carried the scent of flowers. Zephyrs are common during spring evenings. Gust. Meaning, a sudden strong wind. A gust of wind slammed the door shut. We felt strong gusts during the storm. Thunderstorm. Meaning, a storm with thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. We heard a loud thunderstorm last night. Thunderstorms often occur in the summer. Lightning. A sudden flash of light during a storm. The tree was struck by lightning during the storm. Lightning lit up the sky in the evening. Hurricane. A powerful storm with strong winds and heavy rain. The hurricane caused severe damage to the coastal towns. We were evacuated due to the approaching hurricane. Tornado. A violently rotating column of air touching the ground. The tornado destroyed several houses in its path. People took shelter in basements during the tornado warning. Blizzard. Meaning, a severe snowstorm with strong winds. The blizzard kept us indoors for 2 days. Schools were closed due to the blizzard. Heat wave. Meaning, a prolonged period of extremely hot weather. The city experienced a heat wave last summer. A heat wave can be dangerous for elderly people. Flood. Meaning, overflowing water submerging land. The heavy rain caused a flood in the town. Many families had to evacuate because of the flood. Drought. Meaning, a long period without rain. The crops failed due to the drought. Water conservation is crucial during a drought. Cyclone. Meaning, a large-scale air mass that rotates around a center. The cyclone hit the southern coast with high winds. People were warned to stay indoors during the cyclone. Avalanche. Meaning, a large mass of snow sliding down a mountainside. The avalanche buried several cabins in the valley. Skiers are often warned about avalanche-prone areas. Overcast. Meaning, a sky completely covered with clouds. It looks overcast, it might rain soon. The overcast weather made the day gloomy. Rainbow. Meaning, a colorful arc in the sky caused by light and rain. We saw a beautiful rainbow after the rain. A double rainbow appeared over the hills. Aurora. Meaning, natural light displays near the poles. The aurora is stunning in Alaska. Tourists visit Iceland to see the northern auroras. Twilight. Meaning, the time between sunset and full darkness. The sky looks pink during twilight. We enjoyed a quiet walk in the twilight. Partly cloudy. Meaning, a sky with some clouds but not completely covered. The forecast says it will be partly cloudy today. Partly cloudy evenings are common in spring. Dew. Meaning, tiny drops of water that form on surfaces in the morning. The grass was wet with morning dew. Dew covered the car windows overnight. Fog. Meaning, a thick cloud of water droplets near the ground. The fog made it difficult to see the road. Flights were delayed due to heavy fog. Mist. Meaning, light fog. Mist covered the valley in the early morning. The lake looked mysterious under the mist. Frost. Meaning, a thin layer of ice forming on surfaces. There was frost on the car windows this morning. Frost forms when the temperature drops below freezing. Hot. Having a high temperature. It's too hot to sit outside today. The desert is extremely hot during the day. Warm. Slightly hot, comfortable. A warm day is perfect for a picnic. I prefer warm weather over cold. Cool. Slightly cold but pleasant. It's a cool evening. Let's go for a walk. A cool breeze makes summer nights enjoyable. Cold. Having a low temperature. It gets really cold in the mountains. Wear a jacket, it's cold outside. Chilly. Meaning, unpleasantly cold. The mornings are chilly in autumn. She wrapped herself in a blanket because it felt chilly. Freezing. Meaning, very cold, below the freezing point. The lake froze because it was freezing all night. It's freezing outside, don't forget your gloves. Mild. Meaning, moderate, not too hot or cold. The weather is mild, perfect for outdoor activities. Spring has mild days and cool nights. Sweltering. Meaning, uncomfortably hot and humid. It was sweltering in the crowded train. The sweltering heat drained all my energy. Bitter cold. Meaning, extremely cold and harsh. The bitter cold made it hard to stay outdoors. She wore layers of clothes to fight the bitter cold.